What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best whitening serum for face in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. The TruSkin Vitamin C Serum boasts a powerful formula packed with skin-loving ingredients. It contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe vera, jojoba oil, and MSM, all aimed at brightening, calming, and protecting your skin. What's unique here is the use of sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a highly stable form of vitamin C that's less likely to cause skin irritation compared to other variants. It is important that you perform a patch test of the product 24 hours before regular application to ensure the product is a good fit for your skin. Applying this serum is a breeze. After cleansing your face, simply dispense a small amount onto your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, so you won't feel greasy or weighed down. The aging process naturally diminishes moisture, collagen, and crucial skin nutrients, leaving skin dry, wrinkled, and blemished. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is precision designed to revitalize aging skin, providing the key nutrients needed to restore skin's beautiful, youthful appearance. Apply 3 to 5 drops to face and neck once daily. For use on the delicate eye area, apply 1 to 2 drops to fingertips and gently apply to skin around the eyes once daily to target mild under-eye puffiness and dark circles. Now, let's talk about results. Over time, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's radiance. Those pesky dark spots started to fade, and my skin tone became more even. The serum also helped reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. What's great about TruSkin is their commitment to skin friendliness. This serum is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and other harmful chemicals. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. In conclusion, the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum has been a pleasant surprise. It delivers on its promises of brightening and rejuvenating the skin. Plus, the company stands by their product with a satisfaction guarantee. So, if it doesn't work for your skin, you're covered. Number 4. Eva the Original Vitamin C Plus Formula. It's making a comeback, and we couldn't be happier. This formula, while similar to our beloved Vitamin C Plus Serum, boasts a thinner consistency and a slightly stronger scent. If you're a fan of the original, you're in for a treat. Are you struggling with skin issues like redness and uneven complexion? Well, the niacinamide and retinol serum in this product could be your savior. These ingredients work together to naturally reduce inflammation, correct dark spots, and soothe troubled skin. Say goodbye to that uneven tone and hello to a glowing complexion. Let's talk about acne. Those pesky clogged pores can make your skin look larger and more visible. But fear not. Retinol in this serum works its magic by cleansing those pores, making them appear smaller. And that's not all. Salicylic acid adds exfoliating power, making this serum your best friend in the fight against blemishes and acne-prone skin. Dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, dry skin, we've all been there. But this vitamin C serum is a powerhouse, targeting these common skin concerns. Loaded with natural ingredients, it's your secret weapon for diminishing those frustrating dark spots and achieving a flawless complexion. Aging is a natural process, but we all want to age gracefully, right? Loaded with antioxidants, this vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid can help boost collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid's incredible hydration capabilities, holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water, keep your skin looking youthful and refreshed. In conclusion, if you're looking to revamp your skincare routine and achieve that enviable, radiant complexion, the Vitamin C Serum for face is worth a try. With its blend of powerful ingredients, it's your go-to solution for a clearer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. Number 3. The Tree of Life Vitamin C, Retinol, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum Trio. I know, it's a mouthful, but trust me, It's worth every syllable. This serum trio is a powerhouse for your skin. Packed with vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, it's designed to brighten, firm, and hydrate your skin like never before. What sets this trio apart is its incredible ingredients. With a whopping 72% organic components, including green tea, jojoba oil, and witch hazel, you're giving your skin the love and care it deserves. Now, the best part. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this serum trio is gentle yet effective. Plus, it's cruelty-free and dermatologist tested. Wondering how to incorporate these serums into your routine? It's easy. Start your day with the vitamin C serum for that fresh, morning glow. At night, go for the retinol serum to promote skin renewal. And don't forget the hyaluronic acid serum whenever you need that extra hydration boost. Always apply 3 to 5 drops on clean, dry skin. Cover your face, neck, and décolleté for the best results. Remember, retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so make sunscreen your BFF during the day. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in all that goodness. So, in a nutshell, the Tree of Life Vitamin C, Retinol, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum Trio is a skincare game changer. It's like a spa day for your face, right in your own home. Number 2. The SeoulCeuticals Korean Skincare Beauty, their 20% Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum. What makes it so special? Well, it's packed with the same potent ingredients found in those expensive ferulic serums but without breaking the bank. Now, I know you're eager to see results, and guess what? SeoulCeuticals promises you'll start noticing a difference within just 3 weeks of daily use. That's right, this K-beauty product means business when it comes to delivering those impressive skincare outcomes. Are wrinkles, fine lines, or crow's feet causing you concern? Fear not. This serum is your secret weapon against the signs of aging. It's been proven to help reduce the appearance of those pesky wrinkles, fine lines, and crow's feet. Get ready for smoother, younger-looking skin. Who doesn't want a brighter, more youthful complexion? SeoulCeuticals Vitamin C Serum also helps fade those sunspots that may be bothering you. Say hello to a radiant and even skin tone that'll leave you feeling confident and beautiful. But wait, there's more. This facial serum isn't just about anti-aging. It's also your ally in the battle against acne. It helps shrink pores, clear up existing acne, prevents future breakouts, and minimizes the appearance of those annoying acne scars. Plus, it's the perfect base for your Korean makeup routine. In conclusion, to wrap it up, SeoulCeuticals Korean Skincare Beauty's Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum is your all-in-one solution for achieving gorgeous, youthful, and radiant skin. With powerful ingredients, it targets aging, sunspots, and acne, giving you that confidence boost you deserve. Number 1. The premium 20% Vitamin C Serum with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and amino acids. If you're looking for a way to boost your skin's collagen, hydrate and plump it, and fight the signs of aging, you're in the right place. In our first segment, let's talk about the remarkable plant-based formulation of this serum. It's free of synthetic color additives, fragrance, and stabilizers. Packed with dynamic botanicals like aloe vera, witch hazel, botanical hyaluronic acid, and organic jojoba oil, it feels like silk on your skin. You can use it day or night for that perfect, nourished glow. As we age, our skin can lose its vitality, leaving it dull and dry. But fear not. Our vitamin C serum contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals that combat wrinkles and spots. By incorporating this serum into your daily skincare routine, you'll notice increased moisture, nourishment, and a radiant, youthful complexion. Now, let's discuss the advanced antioxidant power of this serum. Vitamin C, combined with botanical hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, targets the most common signs of aging, including firmness, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and sunspots. It's like a superhero for your skin, fighting off the villains of aging. Did you know that vitamin C is essential for collagen production? In our fourth segment, we'll explore how this serum stimulates collagen formation, the key to healthy skin. By boosting your skin and body with vitamin C serum, you'll enhance the natural production of collagen without any oily residue. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling light and refreshed. In conclusion, there you have it, our comprehensive review of the premium 20% vitamin C serum. If you want to rejuvenate your skin, fight signs of aging, and achieve that youthful glow, this serum is definitely worth a try. We've been impressed with its plant-based ingredients, anti-aging benefits, and collagen-boosting power. When choosing a whitening serum, it is important to consider your skin type and concerns. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to choose a serum that is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, won't clog your pores. If you have dark spots, you may want to choose a serum that contains vitamin C or alpha-arbutin. It is also important to use a whitening serum consistently in order to see results. Most serums will start to show results after a few weeks of use, but it may take up to 8 weeks to see the full benefits. Apply the serum to clean, dry skin. Use the serum twice a day, morning and night. Follow up with a moisturizer to lock in the moisture. If you are using other skincare products, be sure to patch test the whitening serum first to make sure you don't have any adverse reactions. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Era Review Zone family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.